Absolutely not.
Absolutely.
Absolutely not. Who knew I said it that much? Before we begin, I want to give a shout out to our real fan, Valencia Jarrett from Portsmouth, Virginia. Who gave us the inspiration for this segment on YouTube. She watches us on Wavy TV 10. Hey, girl! Thank you so much for watching our show and inspiring us, Valencia. All right, ladies, who needs some of my good truth serum?
Ooh. Okay, well, here it goes.
Oh,
our first story comes from Shruti in Belconnen, Australia. We are global, you guys. All right? Shruti writes, "Hi, Adrienne. I need your opinion. A few months ago, it was my friend's birthday, and a group of our friends went out and brought a charm bracelet for her. I overheard them talking that they should get me a charm bracelet for my birthday. To save them money and effort, I just told them, straight up, I'm not into charm bracelets, and I told them instead of buying me a gift, I wanted them to come over to my house and eat the cake I had ordered for my birthday. But on my day of my birthday, I received nothing from my friends, not even a happy birthday text. Then, 10 days later, they gave me a charm bracelet and told me happy birthday. I couldn't